this video will cover the DSLP protection, direct stroke lightning protection by Rezevig method, by two unequal height of lightning mast. Suppose this is one lightning mast, number 1, and this is number 2 lightning mast. You can see this lightning mast LM2 height is smaller than LM1. So in this case, in between these two lightning masts, if there is any object at a certain height, then what will be the zone of protection? In this video I will discuss with the help of this Excel spreadsheet. So this is the combined effect of two lightning masts of unequal length. Okay, so LM1 and LM2, these are two lightning masts, and the distance between them, A, denoted by small a, that is 51 meter. Suppose this is 51 meter. The height of the smaller mast H1 is 24.3 meter, and the height of the taller mast, that is H2, 40.3 meter, and the level of the object to be protected, Hx, that is 6.3 meter. Hence the coefficient P, that is given by the same formula, 5.5 by root H1 for H1 greater than 30 meter, otherwise 1. Since this H1 height is 24.3 meter, that is less than 30 meter, so the value of P, this coefficient, that is 1, that is considered 1, and the coefficient P dash, in that case this formula is applicable. P dash equals to 5.5 by root H2, because this H2 height is greater than 30 meter, so this is coming as 0.866. So the equation which, okay, the equivalent distance between lightning masts is given by A dash equals to, by this formula, A minus P dash into 1.5 into H2 into 1 minus H1 by 0.8 H2, provided H1 is less than 2 into H2 by 3, otherwise it will follow this formula, this 0.75 formula. Let's check in the copy. Yeah, so here is the formula. The only difference is the height are different for the two lightning masts. One is H1, another one is H2. So A dash is 38.1 meter. The height of the object which lies midway between the two lightning masts, that is given by H0, that is equals to this, the same formula as was calculated here, this, by this formula, H0 equals to H minus A by 7P. So using this formula, this is the value of H0, and hence the radius of protection, Rx, this is coming like this, using the same formula as I explained in the previous video. Here also same formula is used, only the presentation and the values are different. So the protection, that radius of protection is coming as 16.473 meter. In the next video I will discuss if there are the triangular formation, that means three lightning masts are there with equal distance.